Welcome to this quick and complete guide for your Instant Pot Duo. If you've ever wondered what all these buttons mean or how to adjust cooking levels like less, normal, and more, this video is just for you. Let's understand everything clearly and quickly. How to set less/normal/more. After you select any cooking mode like saute, soup, or keep warm, you can press the same button again to change between three cooking levels. Less for gentle or shorter cooking, like simmering dal, steaming soft veggies, or boiling milk. Normal, standard setting for most daily cooking, like curries, rice, and soups. More for longer or higher heat, like frying onions, cooking tougher meat, or making thick porridge. You'll see a small light below the screen that highlights less, normal, or more, confirming your selection. This works in most modes, even keep warm, which adjusts the warmth level too. Buttons from right to left, 1 minute, 15 secs. Rice, automatic rice cooking. Less equals softer, normal equals regular, more equals firmer. Rice, quinoa, millets, more equals longer cooking with soak time. Porridge, oats, khichdi, dal porridge, less equals thin, more equals thick consistency. Steam, used for veggies, idly, or eggs, add 1 cup water, less equals soft steam, more equals hard food like corn. Yogurt, make curd or ferment dosa batter. More equals boil milk, normal equals set curd, less equals ferment. Pressure cook, manual cooking for anything. Set time using +/. Use pressure level to switch between high and low pressure. More text on the display here doesn't change anything. Bottom row buttons, cancel stops or resets the cooker. Keep warm, keeps food warm after cooking ends. Press again to change level. Less equals gentle warming for milk, dal. Normal equals default, more equals hotter for thick dishes like pulao or curry. Delay, start, schedule cooking to start later. Handy for early prep. Pressure level, used only in pressure cook mode. Lets you switch between high and low pressure. Left side buttons, soup/broth. Clear soups and rasam. Less equals light, more equals thick soup. Meat/stew for chicken, lamb. Less equals soft meat, more equals tender, well cooked. Bean/chili, rajma kol. Less equals firmer, more equals very soft texture. Poultry for chicken, choose level based on bone-in or boneless pieces. Saute, open lid frying. Less equals simmer, normal equals saute, more equals high frying. Slow cook like gas stove on sim, used for 4-8 hour recipes. Less equals low simmer, more equals stronger simmer.